10 nutritious herbs you ought to add in your weight reduction plan now. Those leafy sprigs of parsley that garnish your dinner, the mint sprigs for your drink, and those basil strips topping your salad make contributions greater than color and flavor. They may be additionally wealthy resources of treasured vitamins. Many herbs show promise for preventing illnesses. That is why registered dietitians encourage humans to replace excessive sugar and salt with fresh herbs, whilst seeking to boost the taste in dishes. Clean herbs include a spread of antioxidants, in step with Wesley McWhorter, milliseconds, Rhode, LD, chef and dietitian, College of Public Health, University of Texas Health Technological Know-How Center at Houston, uthealth, Houston, TX. Like darkish leafy veggies, the green color of clean herbs indicates that they have got comparable vitamins. And they have the more advantage of allowing you to lessen salt and sugar in your weight loss program because they add the greater taste we crave. To that give up, let's take a more in-depth observe the fitness benefits of 10 herbs worth adding on your repertoire. 1. Parsley. Touted for its herbal diuretic homes, parsley is useful in treating fluid retention and edema, noted Sharon Zarabi, Rhode, CDN, CPT, Bariatric Application Director, Lenox Hill Health Facility, New York Town, New York. Parsley is understood to increase urine output without affecting electrolytes such as sodium and potassium. It's also acknowledged to freshen breath. Parsley affords nutrition C, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Bonnie Taub Dix 2 Peppermint. Used for hundreds of years to treat digestive troubles like fuel, bloating, and indigestion, peppermint is also right for treating aches and pains, in step with Zarabi. The principal aspect of peppermint is menthol, which has a rest effect on gastrointestinal tissue, and topically performs as an anesthetic that helps relieve sore muscles and frame aches, usually utilized in Mexican and Mediterranean dishes. Oregano includes phytochemicals and diet-E. It is a maximum staggering herb to combat infection, Zarabi cited. Traditional healers touted its benefits with recognized to treating breathing troubles consisting of cough, bloodless, flu and bronchitis. 4. Basil. Regularly found in Italian dishes, basil has LDL cholesterol-lowering advantages, is high in antioxidants, and has antimicrobial blessings, defines Zarabi. Basil additionally includes rientin and biseninor, which are water-soluble flavonoids which could shield white blood cells. In addition, the effective antioxidants determined in basil have been proven to assist fight damage due to unfastened radicals. As if this were not sufficient, basil also incorporates phytochemicals, which may additionally save you most cancers. 5. Thyme. Excessive in vitamin C, thyme is also a terrific supply of vitamin A and manganese. Thyme also carries many flavonoids, which boom its antioxidant ability. Additionally, researchers have recommended that the antimicrobial components of thyme can also assist prevent food spoilage and defend towards microbial infection. 6. Dill. Part of the equal family as fennel, cumin, and bay leaves, dill contributes a small quantity of vitamins A and C. Like many other herbs, dill contains high amounts of antioxidants, which might be recognized to lessen the threat of heart disorder and unfavorable free radicals, Zarabi stated. 7. Chamomile. Used as a healing given that historical instances, chamomile is widely known for its calming effects. We regularly see it boiled in tea bags. Chamomile is connected to higher sleep, and it may enhance tranquility. It is most customarily used to reduce anxiety and depression, and it could also be used to assuage a disappointed stomach. 8. Sage. Acknowledged for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant residences, sage incorporates flavonoids, phenolic acids, and oxygen coping with enzymes. 9. Cilantro. Packed with antioxidants, cilantro is a good source of vitamins A, C, OK and E, and might help fight infections and reduce irritation, Malcani explained. Often utilized in southwestern and Mexican delicacies, cilantro is also scrumptious in Indian dishes, added McWhorter. 10. Rosemary. A good source of calcium, iron and nutrition B6, rosemary carries compounds that offer both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory blessings. Those antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits can also help an extensive variety of health advantages that include stepped-forward digestion and improved circulation. Malcani. If you experience stimulated to consume greater herbs, you'll be glad to listen that adding them on your food is easier than you might think. So, take into account that these first-rate little plants do extra than just supply your meals a massive enhance of flavor. They're full of vitamins, antioxidants, and other properties which could give your fitness a lift as nicely and improve your frame's capacity to prevent and combat off sickness. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.